There's something hilarious about buying a truck with over 100,000 miles on it. Half your friends will tell you you're nuts. The other half are jealous, because trucks last forever now, right up until the moment they don't. Everybody loves giving truck advice. It's the first moment you pop that hood that you realize mileage is just a number, but abuse is permanent. You don't need X-ray vision. Just look for oil leaks, cracked hoses, or belts that look like they're eligible for Social Security. Let's hit pain point number 1, deferred maintenance. If you're buying a used truck north of 100K, there's a 38% chance, not a real stat, but it might as well be, that previous owners delayed the small stuff, which adds up to big trouble later. Ask for maintenance records like Indiana Jones looking for the Grail. Shops love giving paper receipts because no one ever wants them except you now. The more papers stapled together, the better, especially if it shows things like regular oil changes or new brakes. Don't get seduced by shiny paint. Trucks wear their real condition in the undercarriage, not on the hood. Bring a flashlight and look at the frame for rust, especially if the truck's ever seen a winter up north or in the Midwest. Rust never sleeps. Run, don't walk from the too clean used truck. You see that glittering engine bay? It's younger than it looks, probably detailed last week to hide leaks. Real engines over 100K should have some minor grime. If it looks like a salad bar, get suspicious. The test drive should sound like a percussion section in an orchestra. Listen for knocks, whines, and especially transmission shudder. If it shifts weird, that's your wallet crying 40 miles down the highway at about $2,800 for a rebuild. Here's a pro tip. Get a real mechanic to inspect the truck for you. The $120 you spend on a pre-purchase inspection can literally save you thousands. Every mechanic has a horror story of the one that got away. Don't let it be you. If you're thinking diesel, remember that repair costs are higher, but these engines are personified blue-collar workhorses. It's not weird for a well-kept diesel truck to crack 300,000 miles. But, God help you, the injectors are turbo-go, and the bill is impressive. Gas engines can be great if they're maintained, but look up that specific engine's reputation. Some Ford EcoBoosts chew up timing chains. GM's AFM lifters are notorious. It's less brand loyalty and more Russian roulette with certain makes. Check that the Ford ADAS system works if equipped. Engage it on the test drive. Don't just take the seller's word for it. When 4BodyDod fails, it's often an expensive fix because no one checks it until the first snowstorm or camping trip. Also, calculate total ownership cost. This isn't just the sticker price. Factor in fuel. Trucks gulp gas like frat boys gulp beer, insurance, tires, and repairs for high-mileage components. In Portland, I've seen friends underestimate this and end up selling with regrets. Buying a high-mileage truck isn't reckless. If you do the homework, you can nab a rig that outperforms its new siblings for a fraction of the cost. Get what fits your life, not someone else's dream, and don't let the odometer scare you off by itself.